Electric circuit. When you flow the current from the positive terminal end of the battery to the negative terminal, you provide a path. This path of an electric current is called the electric circuit. Thus, the setup consisting of the sources of electricity such as electric cell, the electric bulb, and electric wires joined together in such a way that electric current can flow along a closed loop is called an electric circuit.
Activity.
To make an electric circuit to light up an electric bulb using an electric cell. Take an electric bulb, an electric cell, and 4 electric wires of different colored plastic covering. Remove the plastic covering a little from each end of the electric wires. Now, join the base ends of 2 electric wires to the electric cell and the other 2 to the electric bulb. Use tape to fix electric wires to the electric cell and electric bulb. Join the electric wires in different ways as shown in figure A to D. Find out in which of the cases the electric bulb glows and in which it does not glow. Record your observations. Electric switch. It is not possible to manually hold electric wires in contact with the electric cell when you need light and remove it when you do not need it. Therefore, a device called is used for making and breaking an electric circuit. Electric switches are used at home to switch on or off the electric bulb, tube light, fan, and other electrical equipments. The stopping and starting of flow of electric current in an electric circuit is controlled by an electric switch.